In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix taskbar and the start button is not working in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to press Control, Shift, and Escape key together, and then that way you would be able to bring up a window called Task Manager. Or either press Control, Alt, and Delete key together, and then that way you would be able to open up a window. Just choose for Task Manager, and in that way you will be able to bring this kind of window. So from that, please open or expand this first. Okay, and from here you need to navigate to this left side where you can see a list of the option. If in your case no options are showing, click on these three lines, and in that way you'll be able to bring up the list of the option. So by here, please proceed with processes, and under the processes you need to proceed to this table. Okay, and here you need to locate with Windows Explorer. So you can also use the search bar here being placed at the top corner, okay, and use this one to search for the Explorer, okay. So just type for Explorer here, and then that way you will be able to search for it, okay. So either once you have find it here, okay, you can search for Explorer and go with it, make a right click and click on restart. But in case you have find it right away to by not searching, you then good. Just have to make a right click as well, click on restart, and in that way you would be able to restart the taskbar as well as the start button in your Windows 11. In that way you would be able to refresh and fix the problem. Okay, so if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.